Alright, Charlie's fixing to find his first deer track of the year. I got some blood on the arrow. Broke off one of the blades in the shoulder. It was a complete pass through though. Must have just nicked the shoulder bone. Try. Where's he at? Where's he at? Go get him. Doing work. Try. Where's he at, Charlie? Track. Good boy. Where's he at? Where's he at, Charlie? What you got there, huh? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. He's a good pup. Hey, good job, Charlie. He found the deer.